Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I've had to film this twice because I started crying. So I'm here today to pay forward some kindness. I mentioned on my Facebook group a few days ago that I really love these little tiny clips, and just let me get one out so you can see how tiny they are. They're absolutely minute. Okay, they're perfect. But, you know, Tim charges a lot of money for things, so I was seeing if anybody knew where I could get some cheaper, because I know they're not Tim Holtz exclusive, because I've had them before Tim Holtz did them from Stampin' Up years ago. So before he even came out with them, they were around. So I was just asking if anybody knew where we could get some blah blah. Loads of suggestions, but none of them were quite right. And then lovely crafter that I know through the crafty community, Mandy Reid, asked for my address, and she sent me some. As a random act of kindness, she's got nothing in return other than my undying thanks. And she didn't just send me one, she sent me two. And these as well. Transparent layers, which has got my mind whirring now. Now I'm thinking about getting some transparency film and printing on it. So I never stop thinking how to save money. Now, these, I know, will have cost Mandy the same amount that I have for my entire monthly budget for crafting. My monthly budget is very low because, you know, I don't have heaps of money. I don't have endless pots of money. That's why I, you know, sell my journals and sell my digitals to make sure that I've got crafting money. And so that kindness has just blown me away. I'm going to leave Mandy's links in the description box below. I am asking you to, you know, show Mandy the kindness that she's shown me. We're paying it forward. So her channel is called Sunflowers Indoors. Some of you may already know Mandy. She runs a very, very, very large Facebook group. I think, is it Junk Journal Ideas and Inspiration? I'm in a few journal groups and I don't always get the names spot on, but I'm going to leave a link to Mandy's channel and her Facebook group, which is far larger than mine. So go and join it. You know, she does freebies and things like that. Digitals and stuff. I think she's dipping her toe in the water of digitals, I've noticed recently. But on her channel, honestly, her creations are beautiful. She's very, very talented, well worth subscribing to. And, you know, she is genuinely a nice person. And in all honesty, it's not often that I get any kind of, and it sounds really harsh, but I don't get a lot of support from other creators. There is always this kind of idea in people's heads that you're a competition or you're a problem or you're going to steal their ideas or steal the customers. And it's absolutely ridiculous, because anybody who's got a good business mind knows that, you know, it's always better to work together, support each other, all of that kind of thing. So, you know, please go and show Mandy some crafty love like she's shown me. And also, I'm going to also give a shout out to my friend Rachel Doohan, who sent me these at the beginning of the month. So what these are, it was a set of 3, are Teflon bone folders. Now these aren't cheap either, and I'd ifed and buttered about buying some, but I needed, you know, I've had to recently buy a new trimmer, so that is like 6 months worth of crafty budget gone. I've no money left. So when you just get things like this, it's just a massive boost. And the Teflon bone folders are brilliant because, as you can see here, normally when I score my cardstock, I use my Stampin' Up bone folder and it leaves a shiny mark. With the Teflon ones, it doesn't leave a shiny mark on your cardstock, because I like to use black cardstock. So those two ladies have really, really helped me out. Massively helped me out, because there were things that I really need. These are desperately needed. These are just, if I'm honest, do you need them? I didn't need them, but I really, really loved them and I really, really wanted them. And so Mandy's sent them to me, which is so kind. Now, Rachel has a YouTube channel with quite a lot of followers. Back in the day, Rachel was one of the first people I ever watched that did junk journaling, along with Debbie Ann Parent. And this was what I call back in the day before junk journaling got popular. At the moment, it's everywhere. Back then, it was quite a niche thing, and there wasn't as many people doing it, and Rachel was one of them. She suffered some difficulties. I'm not going to go into it, but some difficulties with other crafters, and you know, she, in a moment of madness, deleted all of her videos, and there were some top-notch videos with very, very, like, thousands of views on there. She's very talented, and I think it knocked her confidence, and for a lot of years she hasn't shared anything. And I think the confidence is creeping back, and she's been dabbling in making digitals, and, you know, she's opened a coffee shop, etc. But I think she could really do with some support to encourage her to do more videos. And if we can encourage her to do more videos, I promise you we're all going to benefit, because that lady is so talented and her work is so beautiful. I really want to. And Rachel, if you're watching, go get making some videos, because your talent, it's almost rude to keep it to yourself. I need to see your work so I can copy what you do. But these ladies don't know how much they have lifted my spirits this month. September has been the most frightfully disgusting month that I've had for many, many years. I have a granddaughter who's 4 who is disabled. She's been in hospital very seriously ill. She was in hospital for 3 weeks in total, on oxygen and heart monitors and all sorts. Thankfully she's home now and she's fine. Then while she was in, obviously her mum stayed with her, because you can't leave a child, or especially not a disabled child, overnight on their own. The nurses can't watch them 24/7. And while she was there taking care of her, she had 2 episodes of a suspected stroke. And so she ended up actually in A&E. The children's ward nurses sent her to A&E, suspected stroke. She ended up admitted into hospital herself. So then I had to then take the reins and go and look after my granddaughter, and make sure machines didn't stop beeping in the night. I was obsessively watching them. And at the same time, I've got my eldest child in A&E. I can't go and sit with her because I'm sat with the grandchild. It's a horrible place to be. And then now my teen, we're back and forth at the doctor's because she's got some kind of chest infection. She's on inhalers and antibiotics and all. It's just been a horrible month. Horrible. September can get lost. I'm ready for October. But, you know, you've got to try and keep your spirits up. And these 2 ladies really have helped. And I know you might think, well, it's just a few bits of crafty stuff. It's not about the items. It's about the sentiment and the thought behind them that lifts my spirit. You know, they could have sent me a carrot in the post. It's the intention and the knowledge that somebody's thought enough to actually take time to send you something, whatever it may be. So I'm paying it forward a bit here. I'm rambling on a bit, but please, where you can, show kindness. Crafters, you know, I've had episodes and times through my crafty career, which spans well over 10 years now, probably going towards 15, of quite a lot of unkindness. But you've got to put that to the side and remember those that are kind. And I try my best to be kind wherever I can. If I see somebody's crafty projects, I'll leave a comment. I watch as many videos as I can to give views. I do what I can, you know. I'll obviously, I you know, do some designs for free. I do what I can. I just think that kindness, you'd never know what somebody's going through. Okay, and you never know what difference your kindness can make to them, like these 2 ladies have made to me this month. So follow the links in the description box below and go and show them some crafty love. And remember to be nice whenever you can. because it really does make a massive difference. I'll stop rambling now because I'm ready for crying. I'm an emotional wreck and I need to get crafting and do some tutorials. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.